Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can recover your deleted videos from Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my gallery on my phone. So basically guys, if you delete a video from your gallery on your device, you might find it in Google Photos if you have already restored it on Google Photos. So basically guys, right now we're going to go to Google Photos. Once you open Google Photos, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the home section. Here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. There's the photos section, memories, library, and lastly, search. Go ahead and click on the photos section. And then right here, you're going to find your gallery on Google Photos. Go ahead and scroll down and then search for the video that you want to restore, and hopefully you will find it. If you find it, that means that you backed up your video. So it's a good news. Once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on the video, here in the bottom, you're going to find the options, share, edit, and delete. Here in the top right corner, you're going to find a three dots icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then this menu will pop up from the bottom. Here you're going to find loop video on, view in, add to album, move to archive, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to save the video on your device. As you can see, guys, in my case, I have delete from device because this video is already on my gallery on my device. So just click on save to this device, then you're going to be able to recover your deleted video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.